Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed Tutorials. This video is about the part 2 of the variation in chromosome number. Specifically, we will talk about aneuploidy in this video. So before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. So let's get started with the video. Before we start aneuploidy, first of all, we have to understand the term euploidy. Okay, aneuploidy. So what is euploidy? Okay, euploidy is the multiply of the basic chromosome set. Okay, means the number of chromosome present within the organism, which is a multiple of the basic chromosome set. Means haploid. We can say haploid and haploid fuse to form a diploid. Right? So the whole chromosome set is known as euploid. Okay. Now aneuploidy, we can say that aneuploidy is the loss or gain of chromosome. Okay. What is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is the loss or gain of chromosomes. Okay, means it can be one chromosome or more than one. Okay, so there will be loss of chromosomes and the term is known as aneuploidy. But the set number, a set, we say the set is same. The number of set remains the same. I will write here. Number of set remains same. Okay, means if we take the example of humans, 46 chromosomes are there. So if the one chromosome is added, it will result in 47. If two chromosomes are added, it might be in the autosome or sex chromosomes. Okay, then it will be 48. If there is minus 1, then there will be 45. Again, if there is minus 2, it will be 44. Right, so the set number is same, only there is addition or deletion, okay, of the chromosome, one or more chromosomes. It may be from autosome or allosome, that is sex chromosome, right? So basically, see, this condition is very dangerous actually. So the offerings are not viable. Okay, we can say this is lethal. Okay, non-viable offerings are produced basically. Okay, non-viable offerings. Uh, this result in lot of abortions, right? Or we can say premature baby, right? So this is basically a chromosomal abnormalities. And if they are viable, see, if they are viable, they are living offerings, then what we can say result into syndromes. Okay, the diseases are known as syndromes. Syndromes. So there are a lot of developmental defects. Okay, we say congenital abnormalities. So now we will discuss why does aneuploidy take place. So the reason for this is non-disjunction. Non-disjunction. What is this non-disjunction? Non-disjunction is the chromosomes which are not separated properly and those are inherited as it is in the pair. So this is seen mostly in meiosis. This is the picture. Normal chromosome segregation, we will see X chromosomes here. These two are the X chromosomes. Right? Now they get segregated. This is the first meiotic division. They are getting segregated in each cell. And during the second meiotic division, also they get segregated. Now, if the non-disjunction occur in the meiosis 1, So these both the chromosome will go in one chromosome, one cell only. The other cell will not have any chromosomes. So this is a non-disjunction which is occurring in the meiosis 1. So thus the other cells are having two chromatids. See, in here in the normal there is only one, but in this there are two. So this is abnormality. As well as when the non-disjunction occurs in the meiosis 2, the till here chromosomes are properly segregated. After this, the division is not properly. Both these chromosomes should be go in the different cells, but instead of that, we will see both the chromosomes in the single cell only, and this is the vacant. This is not having any chromosome. So no chromosomes in the cell is said to be as O. O. Okay, XO. XO means what? Another chromosome is absent. It may be one X or one Y. Right? So this is a non-disjunction which is which causes aneuploidy. There are some of the important words we have to remember. That is monosomy. Monosomy means minus one, 2n minus one. Nullisomy. Nullisomy, 2n minus two. Then we can say double monosomy. It will be 2n minus 1 minus 1. Then trisomy. Trisomy means addition, 2n plus 1. Tetrasomy, 2n plus 2. Double trisomy, 2n plus 1 plus 1. Why we write here plus 1 separate as well as here? Means there are deletions or additions of two separate chromosomes, like chromosome number 13 or we can say chromosome number 18. Both have caused both these chromosomes, there will be addition or deletion. Okay, as we know, normal is 2n. 2n. In humans, it is 46. Right? So we will discuss some of the common diseases. First is Down syndrome. Okay, Down syndrome. The it is written as 47 plus 21. Okay, means what? 47 means one chromosome is extra, one extra chromosome. Okay, in plus 21 means in chromosome number 21. Chromosome number 21. Right? In the previously, we have discussed about karyotype. So here, when we analyze the karyotype, there will be instead of two chromosomes, there will be three chromosomes seen in the karyotype. So this is the Down syndrome. The characteristics of Down syndrome. So these are the characteristics of Down syndrome: decreased muscle tone, asymmetrical skull, slanting eyes, mild to moderate mental retardation. So basically, this is caused because of, as we say, three reasons are there. Trisomy 21, okay, trisomy 21, mosaicism, and Robertsonian translocation. Robertsonian translocation. A majority, most common percentage is seen in trisomy 21. That is one copy extra chromosome in chromosome number 21. That is the most common reason, and that is mostly seen. Mosaicism is that is extra chromosome, but in some cells, not all cells, in some cells. So that is mosaicism. And the very less percentage is seen from Robertsonian translocation. Robertsonian translocation is a translocation between 14q and 21q. So there is translocation between these long arms which fuse together to form this condition. Okay, so this is the uh, Down syndrome. And the next is Edward syndrome. We will discuss here. Here also same. There is one extra chromosome in 18. Means chromosome number 18 has the one extra chromosome. Characteristics are same. So these are the symptoms, or we can say characteristics: motor and mental retardation, congenital anomalies which lead to serious health problems. And we can say 90% of the individuals die in the infancy, and who live till the first 1 year are quite healthy. Also, there is characteristic features like hand appearance, hand appearance with clenched hand and overlapping fingers. This is one of the characteristic, and the symptoms are motor and mental retardation, congenital anomalies, right? So this is about Edwards syndrome, and the next, this is the second most common in autosome. This is about autosomal we are discussing. The next is Patau syndrome. Same here also trisomy. Trisomy means addition, right? 47 plus 13. So there is addition of chromosome in chromosome number 13. Symptoms are similar to the Edwards syndrome, but there is no characteristic hand appearance. So these are about autosomes. So till now we discussed autosomal chromosome syndromes, right? Till now. In the next, we will see about sex chromosomes. First is Turner syndrome. Genotype is 45X. Instead of two X chromosomes, there is only one X chromosome in these females. So there will be abnormal sexual development, right? Then developmental abnormalities will also be there. And the next is Klinefelter syndrome. It results from 47 chromosome picture number XXY. So instead of XY in male, there is one extra X chromosome. So there is combination of male and female phenotype we can see here. So these are the characteristics of Turner syndrome as well as Klinefelter syndrome. We will see it. In Turner syndrome, we know females with only one X chromosome. So there will be retarded sexual development, right? Usually they are sterile. Short stature means short, we can say height. Webbing of skin in the neck region. Okay, then there will be cardiovascular abnormalities and hearing impairment. Right. Then the next syndrome is the Klinefelter, in which we saw there is one extra X chromosome in the males. So these males are with self-fertile, with small testes, develop breast, as well as feminine pitched voice, then long limb, knock knees, and rambling talkativeness. So these are the characteristics. Mean we have to understand why this is occurred. Okay, because there is addition of chromosome, right, or deletion. In which chromosome there is addition, which chromosome there is deletion, that we have understand. As well as Klinefelter syndrome, also there are conditions like it can be seen in here it is 47XXY. It can also be 48 triple X, Y, or we can say 49 4X. Okay, also this can occur as well as, or we can see this type also, like 48 2X 2Y. Okay, so this type of conditions we can see. So this is all about aneuploidy. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.